This is my scallop stuffed courgette flour with a tomato butter sauce. Often this time of year there are lots and lots of courgette blossom like this, courgette flowers, and we like to get those in and either deep fry them, tempura, fill them with ricotta, all sorts. But here we're going to do something really special, which is a nice dinner party dish. We're just going to fill them with a beautiful scallop mousse. So just open the flour up, reach inside, and you need to take out the little stamen in there. Take that out like that, and you're left with that cavity. All we then do is we take a flour mousse inside all the way to the bottom of the flour, squeeze nicely, nice and evenly. It's a really rich, cream-filled scallop mousse. Just cream, eggs, salt, and beautiful hand-dyed scallops. So we just all the way in like that, and then fold over the top like so. Beautiful. Okay, once they're all filled like that, easy to do. You can do lots of those. We need to wrap these courgettes and protect them while they're in the steamer. So we just take 2 layers of cling film like so, scrape that down, and then just cut that into some squares like so, and then make a little slit there. Pick up 1 square, put the stem through the hole, and then fold over, and that basically keeps the shape. They make a great garnish for a nice piece of roasted fish or poached steamed fish, but equally they're a great starter on their own as well. Now all we need to do is steam these lovely courgette flowers for about 10 minutes, just a really gentle steam through the mousse, keep the courgettes nice and green. In they go, lid on, like so, 10 minutes. So these have had about 10 minutes now. They just need to be lifted out nicely. We're going to make a very simple sauce, one of the most simple sauces I know, but I love this sauce very much. Anyone can make this at home. You just need a blender. Any blender will do. All you do, you take some really lovely ripe little plum tomatoes. These are Datterini tomatoes. Pop them in a blender. Into that you need to add a little bit of salt, not too much, and just give them a quick whiz. And all we need to do is just pass that through a nice fine sieve. Get rid of any of that pulp and seed. Always relies on great tomatoes. Here's that tomato juice, just been brought to the boil now. And we're just going to take some really good French butter and just slowly melt that butter into it. Basically thickening the sauce with butter and emulsifying it. Melt that butter in 1 piece at a time, let it absorb it properly. You're not looking for a really thick sauce, you're just looking for that beautiful flavour balance between fat and acidity. Once you get to this stage, I'm just going to add to that, just to finish it, the juice of an orange. Love it. You can also fill this with lovely picked crab or lobster or something. It's, you know, it's a lovely vehicle to carry other flavours. And just a little drop of olive oil just to give it that mouthfeel. Right, now plating. So then we just need to take off that cling film, take off the bottom of the courgette. In the bowl goes our beautiful sauce. And then we've got some trout roe that goes on top of that. And to sort of carry the tomato theme a little bit, nice piece of compressed basil, just some basil oil. And that's a dish we serve at Trinity, lots, and I love it, loads. It's very simple, beautiful for summer, and delivers in spades.